I turned my pain into power.
So, church, you surrendered. Di ba? Ang dami ko naririnig na challenges. Especially, if you look at it from a society perspective, there's always a gender bias with women. I'm sure you'll agree with that. Di ba?
Yes.
Gender biases. Number 2, you're a single parent. No? Number 3, you're undergrad. Where do you get that motivation? Kasi at the end of the day, yeah, go ahead. Where do you get the motivation to move on?
I turned my pain into power.
Talk to me about that. What does that mean?
Kasi there comes a point na wala ka na talagang maaasahan eh. You know, and then after that, all of that pain, lahat ng mga judgment nila sa akin, even up till now, yun yung ginagawa ko. Lahat tayo, we all just level up, right? So, yung mga criticism nila before, I don't know, I just got that. Kahit wala akong ginagawang masama, people actually receive that because of the society's norm, di ba? Hindi tayo mag-judge sa kapwa natin. But way back, even in high school, na-experience ko yan.